Hello guys, welcome back. So recently, I noticed my Tineco vacuum mop wasn't holding charge like it used to. It would run for a short time and then shut off, which made cleaning really inconvenient. At first, I thought something was wrong with the entire unit, but after checking closely, I realized the battery was the actual issue. Instead of replacing the whole vacuum, I decided to change the battery myself, and the process turned out to be much simpler than expected. If you're facing similar problems like reduced runtime or charging issues, replacing the battery can bring your vacuum back to life. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I replaced my Tineco vacuum mop battery step by step so you can do it easily as well. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the vacuum and make sure it is not connected to any power source. Step 2. Locate the battery pack on the vacuum and find the release or screw point. Step 3. Remove the screws or unlock the battery using the proper tool. Step 4. Take out the old battery carefully from its slot. Step 5. Insert the new battery firmly into the correct position. Step 6. Secure the battery, turn on the vacuum, and check if it works properly.